Hi guys, this is Joel. Welcome to another video from Tips Geeks. For today, we are going to unbox the Zotac GTX 1660 Ti AMP Edition. So let's see how it will work as we run it on different games later. So we're going to show you this graphics card that was released almost a year ago pero currently in demand sa market. Since we are in a new normal and everyone is in work from home settings, marami sa atin ang bumibili ng PC and marami din ang gustong mag-upgrade. And ang GPU ang isa sa major consideration sa pagdating sa pagbuo ng PC, especially sa mga streamers and gamers dyan. And I'm sure na ang graphics card na i-feature natin ngayon ay pasok sa banga. So let's proceed. Okay, buksan na natin. So we have here an envelope where you can find the quick installation guide and a notice where you can download latest drivers. So just go to geforce.com. And we have also here, of course, the unit itself, the GeForce GTX 1660 Ti AMP Edition. So guys, we have here the Zotac GeForce GTX 1660 Ti AMP Edition. And para sa mga nagbabalak bumili ng graphics card, especially sa mga bagong Zotac brand user, I will just simply give an overview of GTX 1660 Ti, mga features niya, target markets, and of course the price. It has dual fan, and you can see the copper heat pipes, aluminum sink, and on top of it we have the 8-pin PCI and the power. It has a very nice metal black plate that helps the cooling as well. 3 display port, 1 HDMI, but no LED lighting. One basic feature of this ay ang kanyang GDDR6 memory. Meron siyang 6GB memory, so isa siya sa mga graphics card na may mataas na size ng VRAM. VRAM basically allows you in getting more data to process on your graphics card. So perfect ito para sa mga mainstream gamers. Another highlight ng Zotac Gaming ay ang Ice Storm cooling. It will give you steady temperature even if it's performing at high level and will prevent your PCs. So we'll see later with our test bench. Another thing is meron siyang Firestorm application, which gives you an easier view on how you treat your graphics card. So for those enthusiasts na gustong i-overclock ang kanilang graphics cards, Firestorm will be handy. By the way, this graphics card is based on Turing architecture, so this should provide improvements in performance, memory bandwidth, and power efficiency. For the minimum requirements guys, meron ditong recommended at least 1.5GB hard disk space and 1GB system memory while playing games to prevent bottlenecks. So eto na guys, install na natin to. So guys, eto na-install ko na yung GTX 1660 Ti AMP Edition. Test natin how it will perform sa mga mainstream games na madalas nating nilalaro. So ngayon, test natin muna siya sa Valorant. Pero guys, later papakita ko sa inyo yung naging gameplay clips ko sa Dota 2 and Apex Legends in high settings. Looking at our 3D Mark test results, it goes way better than a 1650 GPU. It scores 30,350 with an average of 92.42 frames per second, which is very impressive. The temperature was also well maintained at 64 degrees Celsius at an average during the test. And the average clock frequency, guys, has reached 1926 MHz during the test. So overall, the 1660 Ti has performed as expected for mid-range gaming PC build. And there you have it, the Zotac Gaming GeForce GTX 1660 Ti AMP Edition refresh review. With an overclocked GPU of 1860 MHz and with a price point at 15 to 16,000. With stunning visuals, great performance, and value for your money, I would definitely recommend it to a lot of gamers and streamers out there. Overall, I will give this graphics card a 2 thumbs up. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I did unboxing it. Leave a comment below if you have any questions, and also please visit our website www.tipsgeeks.com for more reviews, news, and latest tips. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Tips Geeks. Until next time, this is Joel from tipsgeeks.com. Bye!